How to contact Uber Eats support live. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can contact Uber Eats support live. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. So the first step is open up your Uber Eats. So let me open up my Uber Eats, it's right here. Then after you open it up, make sure you're logged in into your account as well. So after you're logged in into your account, what you can do is you can then head over to your account section on the bottom right. So let this load, and right here you should see a help option. If you don't, that's fine. Tap on your profile icon again on the top right, and there you should find the option. If you don't, it should be somewhere around here. So there you see help, tap on it. Then after you tap on help, what you can then do is head over to this help with an order, go through all these options, my bad, accounts and payments. And here you can see I need to contact support, tap on that. Now all you have to do is write the name of your account, your phone number, and now your account payment issue or whatever issue that is, and write the details about it. After you do that, tap on submit, and with that you'll have submitted your ticket, and after that they will get back to you. But if you don't want that, and if you want a reply really fast, what you can do is you can go to your web browser, search for Uber Eats help, not help, just write in customer service or support. And after you write that in, you'll find the website for your Uber Eats. Let that load. There we go. And now you can head over there. From here, you can actually chat with your, you can chat with your customer service. And there you go. There is a chat support. So you can tap on that and tap on chat with us. Now it's basically the same form, but yeah, they will get back to you sooner with this. And that's all for today's video. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more, and bye-bye.